Alright, today we're going to talk to you about our add-a-circuit kit for the John Deere tractors. John Deere is notorious for only giving one option on these older 35, 50Gs, some of the other models. So what we've come up with is a way to add a second hydraulic circuit to this that is easily accessed from the cab. What you're going to get in your kit is a pair of new brackets that will have your quick connects on them. We'll get to those in just a minute. A valve system and a couple hoses. It's a really simple kit, could be put on in probably under a half hour. First thing you're going to find is on the machine, the two hard lines coming down the side are your auxiliary hydraulic circuit. They will be connected directly to these two hoses. All you have to do is disconnect these two hoses. We're going to loosen the clamps just a little bit so we can maneuver stuff around. But you'll install your two hoses right onto the back of your valve. This valve will already have all adapters installed in it to where all you have to do is hook your two hoses into the back of the valve with the handle pointing back towards you. Once you have that installed, you're going to hook the two hard lines directly onto the ports that are on that corresponding side. Once that is on, you'll find that it's a sturdy mount. You can go ahead and tighten up all your clamps that allowed you to get everything in place. Then all you have to do is run two hoses out. We also include zip ties, so you can zip tie them directly to the matching hard line. Once you get them zip tied all the way out to the end, you can see here we've already got our new bracketry on. This comes with the one you're going to add. The existing one moves right into the extra hole. Bolt it right back on, zip tie it, trim your zip ties, and you're good to go. There's going to be two hoses in the kit. One hose will be about 6 inches longer than the other. The shorter hose goes with the left side if you're sitting in the cab and follows it all the way back. The longer hose is going to go up, cross over, and run down the back side and hook in the exact same way. Once you've got this in and secure, you're ready to go. All you have to do to operate the unit is to maneuver the valve from one side to the other. The added bonus of having the valve right here is that you can easily pop your window out and reach from the cab and manipulate the valve. On a nice day when you've already got your glass up, all you have to do is bring your boom up, reach out, switch it. You can use your thumb, switch it back over. You can use your tilt bucket, whatever it is you have on the other circuit. You don't have to climb in and out of the cab, and you don't have to use a crescent wrench to go down and manipulate the valve every time you need to change. This is the add-a-circuit kit, and it really improves the functionality of your John Deere excavator.